Yo, what up, viewers? Shout out to viewers, W's for the viewers. Listen, y'all. Today we on TT. We doing TT right now. TT means task time. So right now we are completing a quick task. We actually need to set up this sound system, but before we have them set up, we have to offload all the shit out the garage. Bring them out here and then wipe them down, because I always gotta come presented, gotta look presentable basically. So right now we're working on polishing these speakers right quick before we load them onto the car. That's your main man Tops.
How y'all doing?
Yes sir, shout out to the vlog. Right now we're finna do this shit real quick, wipe these down, polish them, make them look presentable, and then gonna load them into the car. Man, I really thought you would have yours. That's the only reason why I brought mine.
The only reason why I left them, I looked at them and I looked at the weather outside. It was so cloudy outside.
I need Durban, dog. Eu tinha uns cachês ali. Don't tell me now. Keep it between us. I don't think he saw.
If we were Mordecai and Rigby, stop what we do and start goofing wrong. Start goofing wrong.
Start gaslighting each other. 2-minute break would sound like a bad idea.
The 2-minute break so good. So we're class.
Show them what you got, T. Show them what you got, T.
You don't ask me a question.
Okay. Steady. Light work. Light work.
Oh, wait, is it?
Alright, y'all. Calling the timeout real quick. So phase one, we done with phase one. We wiped them down. They look nice and polished. I'll show y'all, but come on, bro. Who wants to see polished speakers? Let's be real. Listen. Alright, so we got done cleaning the speakers. Now we're finna load them into the van. We're gonna load the van. We got a stage, we got stages, we got bass bins, we got our tops, we got monitors, stands. I've never seen these fit in the van, but today, I know, see what's here. Free tea?
Yes, sir.
Type of tea is this?
I need a working out.
Who made these? You said you need a working out t-shirt? Let me find out you be in jail. Hey, yo, free merch. Shout out to free merch. Bro, what? Be bold, be true. They say hashtag choose you. Okay, that's tough. And then it says Women's Challenge 10K to 5K. KL. Okay, Women Awareness. Sponsored by Spa. I'm not gonna show y'all too much because Spa's not paying us for this shit. Free promo is crazy. Nah, but this is big up. Good try on. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, that's not bad. How you look?
Neat.
Nice. God bless.
Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same way, the same way. You know I'll be down if this with you. Where we going, baby? What's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get her on. Doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black. Seats creme brulee. What they gon' say?
I'm always in this predicament where it doesn't fit. I don't move around too crazy for y'all. For most of y'all to move around. Exclusive shit.
Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
I need a big cage. I need my bitch in an apron. Daddy all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and ace we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission, but we fall out.
I might not know everything.
With a large mouth.
I know for sure.
Like Fallout.
It's how important it is to drink.
Drop it, give me 50, girl. Drop it, give me 50. Used to slide with me, but you be tripping when you miss it. You gon' hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what you speak.
Listen, I might not know everything. Might not know everything, but what I do know for sure.
Candy paint with the windows all black. Seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We'll be up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, I'm so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah, up all night, when we gon' slide.
That's good.
Up all night, baby,
Oh,
when we gon' slide.
that was strong as shit. I look strong as shit, B. I said my arms look strong as shit, B. Finally managed to get everything inside. Man, nothing left behind except for this one speaker over here. I thought I was lying. Should those are gone. We're gonna wrap it up. Yep. And I thought I was lying though. Mic in the kitchen, speakers on my lap. Come on, bro.
And that's how it is. What do you think the cops are gonna say if they pull this over?
They're not gonna see. These are tinted. These are tinted. These are tinted windows. They're not gonna see. I can't put my belt on.
It's gonna say can both pull our seatbelts on. Okay,
See,
are we good?
safety first.
I'll strap in.
Never too cool for safety, man.
Safe.
Validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my space speak freely. Hey, my best can't escape.
This nigga T whipping his house.
Still playing to pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind.
Take grind like this. takes grinding like this. Nah, cause one thing y'all gotta understand is that if you really trying to do something, bro, if you really trying to do something, this is what it takes. Nothing easy. Nothing comes simple. You gotta make your shit. You gotta make it. Think good things come out of sitting around and waiting for it. Sure, maybe in some cases you sit around and then boom, miraculously something comes up. Yeah, but do you understand if you put in the work, how many more shit gonna pop up? Bro, you don't understand.
Living inside of me, I can see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me, I can see. I'm blind.
Yeah. A little update, y'all. So, I'm gonna catch y'all on. It's like in the afternoon now. It's afternoon. Bro, look at this. This is what I was talking about, though. And, bro, down here in the morning, it's gonna be scorching hot, sun out. Show off. And then cheeky, a couple of hours later, it's raining. Not me trying to film the rain like y'all gonna, but it's raining. I had to change a fit though. We got a different location now. We done with the hard, stuff. Done and dusted. Check out the list. Now what we had to do is we finna go to this one studio in Milan. I don't know where the place is at. Tabo knows where the place is. I'm actually early. I'm actually punctual, ladies. He's early. He's punk. Y'all gotta me. I'm mad at you, dog. But yeah, I had to change the fit real quick. Change fit, change location, new location, new fit, new energy, new weather. It's raining. Big check for my people in the rain is crazy. I need to fight, dog. I need to do something. Big check in the rain is insane. Y'all see that shit? Big checking for y'all in the rain. Just to get content. Yeah, my driver just pulled up. Man, with this shit, man, it go down. Like that. He just pulled up, man. We're about to hit. The studio I was telling y'all about, and yeah, we taking off right now.
Before we touch down, that's why me, I like to be 30 minutes early.
Shoot. So not behind time.
Me, I like being on time.
Gotta be on time, though. I was just telling people that, hey, punctual, you can't go wrong if you're punctual. At least like an hour.
An hour early.
What? Hour early is crazy?
Nah, it's not. Somebody actually told me if you want to be early for a date, be an hour early, but don't tell the girl okay.
But the thing is, you know how girls be late too. So you get there an hour early, you gonna be waiting 2 hours. Exactly. Beg.
just like Kimora. Room full of women and they notice me. Now all they wanna listen to is what they say. Freaky, what's your fantasy? Freaky, say something you ain't never did. Freaky, come and talk to me. Rush, baby, just like Kimora. These lines right here so pretty, girl, you belong with me. What's your fantasy? Say something you ain't never did. Cause that fucking sucker with me.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party, I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. That's how you summer do.
Oh, what a day. It's nighttime. We got through the learning session. You know, we did everything that we had to do. I don't know if I should tell you what we was up to. I'm not. But yeah, that we was just happy. Now we are on our way back home.
You look like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the thing right now. You say, do I wanna watch? Do I know what time it is right now? Yeah. It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you right now. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me.
Alright, y'all. Calling it a day. I just got home, touchdown. It was a very successful day, man. I am barely tired, I won't lie. I didn't even take a nap during the day. But the energy still, I feel like going outside. Let's go outside. I'm gonna hit up a few of my people to say they're outside. And yeah, y'all know, if the video ends here, then I didn't go outside. Or I didn't record. But yeah, it's a one on some feed, I mean, exactly.
And I believed you when they told me don't.